this is where it will stop, 20 degree. So I'm going to, so after selecting this rectangle or your needle, your clock needle, so I'm going to rotate per degree. So as you know, we are using 20 degree b- between point one and the second point. So to see it very well, all you have to do is to go right here and click this button to format shape. So after clicking on format shape, all you have to do is to come right here, click on this rectangle sign, and as you can see, our needle is at 54 degree. So I'm going to add 20 on this one. So it will be 74. So we are going to add 20 on 56. So I'm going to delete this. When I add say 56 to 20, it's going to be 76. So once I hit enter, I will see where our rectangle it will rotate. So I'm going to draw a line that will show us where we will put our second point on our presentation. I'm going to draw a line, and I'm going also to come also on this rectangle and add 20 on this 20 degree on this 76. And when I add 20 at this number, it will be 96, and hit enter. I'll also copy this line and paste, and I will put here to see where we put the third point. So once you get this, you can cross the format shape, and all you have to do is to copy this, or you have to copy this all. Okay, let me copy this over shape and paste